Hey everybody, today we're going to be making a DIY at-home body scrub, lip scrub, and a face mask. Taking care of your skin is super important and making sure that you are just maintaining a clean face. Exfoliating is super good to making sure that you are getting rid of the dead skin cells. A mask is important just to make sure that you are maintaining hydration in your face. Today we're going to be starting out with a lip scrub. So for the lip scrub, you're going to need ground cinnamon, some honey, and then some olive oil. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of honey. Mix so you get it to like a paste. And it should look something like this. So the reason why we use cinnamon is because it's nice and fine and not too harsh on our lips. You can either apply this paste with your fingers or with the spoon. I prefer my finger just because it's a lot easier. And you can either rub it around with your finger or you can do this motion with your lips and it'll exfoliate, and you can either rinse it off or you can lick it off since it is made with edible products. So I just put some on my finger and now I'm going to put it on my lips. You probably don't need this much. And you can just it actually tastes pretty good. You can either put it in a container and save it for another time, or you can just throw it away, have your other family members use it, and I don't know, you could keep exfoliating if you feel like you didn't get enough, exfoliate it off the first time. My lips feel pretty soft now. Okay, so for the second one, now for the body scrub, you're going to be needing some brown sugar, and you're going to need some olive oil again. Optionally, you can add some essential oil, but it's not necessary. So here we go. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of peppermint essential oil. Now you're going to mix it all together. It should look something like this. The best time to exfoliate is when you are in the shower or whenever you are washing your hands. You can put this in a small container so you can have it in your shower caddy or wherever, and it lasts a pretty long time. I'm gonna try it out right now and we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna put some on my hands and I'm gonna go to the sink that's right behind me and I'm gonna scrub a dub dub. So I just washed my hands and honestly my hands feel really soft. So the brown sugar was used to take off the dead skin and the olive oil was used to bring back moisture to my hands. So now that we've done our lip scrub and our body scrub, we are going to move on to our face mask. For this you're going to be needing an avocado, some cocoa powder, and honey. So this combination is going to be really great for making sure that you are bringing back some hydration and some moisture back into your skin. 1/4 of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and now we mix. After mashing and mixing, it should look something like this. So now it's time to apply the face mask to our skin. Here we go. Sometimes I like to actually grab a makeup brush and do this. You can also just apply it with your fingers, which I'm just gonna do for now because I don't have my makeup brushes with me. So after we apply the mask all over our face, we're going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and our skin should feel more hydrated after. You want to avoid like your eye area because you just don't want to get this stuff in there. Otherwise, it probably will not be as fun. Honestly, this makes masks for at least 2 to 3 people. There's so much left in the container still. Okay, so now I am going to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is my skin after washing off my face and putting on some moisturizer. It already looks more vibrant than before and more hydrated. It honestly feels really good. You also want to make sure you are applying some sort of moisturizer like lotion, a face moisturizer, face oil, something like that after you do every one of these things. And if you don't have any of these products at home, you can always just get creative and just try to make stuff from things that you find in your home and just have fun with it. Possibilities are endless. Thanks everybody for watching this video. I hope that you had fun watching, and I hope that you have fun making all of these products at home.